Vou te enviar o link, tá?
Tá bom. Não sério também,
Caceta aqui. Caralho, aqui. I think I already alerted everyone that I wanted to. Okay. Pode fechar a porta aqui? Just a second, I'm logging into Leetcode so I can start. As luck would have it, I forgot every password I've ever had. Hell yeah. Let's fucking go. One Leetcode easy in JavaScript. No, nothing fancy. Bread and butter. Random. Can I get random easy? This is new. Okay. No C++. I am not a real programmer. There is no Java. Oh, it's here. You are given a string S consisting only of characters 0 and 1. In one operation, you can change any 0 to 1 or vice versa. The string is called alternating if no two adjacent characters are equal. For example, the string 010. Okay. Return the minimum number of operations to make S alternating. Let's go. So I have a string. Okay. Is it okay? Can you see what I'm doing? Is it too small, the font? I'm going to do like oh, it's the it's a number. I need to return a number. Let's number. Okay. While let's get like an index variable. I less than s dot length. Current letter. The current letter is okay. If letter is the current letter different from the last letter, that's what I want to know. So if I is bigger than 0, like it can't be the first letter because it has nothing to compare itself to. I is bigger than 0, okay? Which means that I is equal to 1. So if I is bigger than 0 and S I is different from S I minus 1. So it's just comparing the current letter to the last letter. And if it's different, we increase the minimum number a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do something like a little bit ugly here. Okay, so if the current letter is different, so I need to modify the current letter so it will correct itself, so it can be compared to the next, like you can do the next comparison. Okay, so if S I mean, it's a string, okay? Oh god, I don't know if I can access strings using this. It's not like they're not arrays. Maybe I'll have a little bit of trouble, but like doesn't matter. Return number of changes. Size is 0, else no, not 0. So now, okay, let's run. Jesus Christ. Oh, all right. Wrong answer. Ten. Okay. So 0, 1. Yeah, 0, 1, 0. Okay. What if I run with just 0, 1? Damn. This is harder than I thought. So it doesn't compare in twos. But it, like, compare, the window of comparison is 3? Okay. So if I is bigger, so it can't be the first, so it's not I bigger than 0, it's I bigger than 1. If I is bigger than 1 and the current letter is different from the last letter, no, that can be. And it's different from the next letter. Ah, no, so, okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. If Si is equal to Si minus 1 or Si plus 1. Okay? But it can't also be it needs, like, this I variable here can only go to this, like, up to the second to last entry. So minus 2. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's better. Oh, I think I changed this case. Okay, it still works. One, 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 one. So you got here But what if, okay, let me do something. This is already pretty ugly, but I just want to get it done. We can get fancy another time. Just let me go through this. Okay. Very nice. What else? Okay, if I is bigger than 1. This is the case. This is the case if only there's one different. But it could be 2. So oof. Okay. What if they're like, we're looking at a set of 3 numbers and they're all equal? So we would need 2 changes. What else? Like we need to skip 1. This is horrible, but I don't really care. Ooh. Not nice. Wait. So we're getting 1 1 1 because we're no. What if it's 1? So it's like this. Yeah. 3 cases ready. Let me submit. Okay. There's a wrong answer here. For 1 0. Can I do another test case? Yeah, that's nice. 1 0 1 0 0. What about this one? Let me let me make a little bit bigger. Zero 1 0 0. Okay, so it starts, then grabs the current letter. It starts like the first check occurs on this 1 here. No. It's I'm only checking for the 2, like for equality on the 2 neighboring numbers, but not on the number itself. Yeah. No, I'm doing something different. SI, like here, it's not equal to fucking hell. It's not equal to, okay, so this one is out. Yeah, I don't think this is really needed. Didn't change. Man, what if I always have to skip two entries? No, that's not it. Okay, so run again. Case for is it okay? We start here. Oh, continue. Yeah. Like nothing happens. Literally nothing happens on the first check. So here, nothing happens. The center one is now here. What if, like, it should fall right under here? If SI, oh, is it because of this? Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. New test case. What's wrong? Output 3. Okay, so 110, like, increases 1, and then we skip over to 100, and it should also increase 1, like, I don't know. No, that's not it. Everything worked. Output 1. Expected output 2. So you get this one, and then we like the middle one. If we are here and we skip 2 places, so now the middle one is here. Oh my god, I think I'm going crazy. I think we do have to change. So it doesn't take into consideration a wrong one, like a wrong one twice is what I meant. I'm going to do something really ugly. This already doesn't look very good. This already looks very bad. But I just want to get it done. I'm gonna grab this case specifically. Yeah, and then just like I think I'm doing something really dumb. What? Okay, so 1 0. The one is equal, like, but this like the one that's behind, it doesn't matter anymore. So the next one is like this. So this should be 1 0 1 1 0 1. Damn. Okay, the middle one is here, and then I jump 1. No, it doesn't make sense. I need to jump 2. Oh my god. 6? No, no, no. I'm going crazy. This fucking sucks. The more time you sink into a problem, the worse you get at actually solving. It's one of those things that you either solve it in 5 minutes because you already know how to do it, or you just bash your head against the computer for hours because you're like, by the time you're half an hour in, you're already tired. Yeah, I'm crying. I'm crying over a Leetcode easy. One 110, and then the next scan is no. The next scan is 010, which is weird. Ooh. Check it out. It makes sense. What? I was so close. It made sense in my head. Because look, one change, two change. No, this is damn. Because it's because of this, right? 1100. When the string is 1100, ooh. I think I should scan only by 2. Yeah. Doesn't look. Doesn't look. It's not very smart, I think, to try to group it into 3. Scratch this. Let's start from the beginning. No, not from the beginning. Okay, if I is 1, if SI is different from the last letter, if SI is different from the last letter, okay. So this, I mean, it's equal to the last letter. No fucking like continue bullshit. Okay, so it's 1 1. Here, man, this is really tough. One one zero zero. Mean number of changes. Okay, so what if we just skip 2 on every time? No more like this kind of bullshit of dividing into 3. Just skip 2. It's dead simple. Probably gonna have like a bunch of regressions. Yeah, look. Which doesn't make sense, right? Oh, it does make sense. No, it doesn't make sense. So it starts from here. Starts in 0, then jumps up to 3. Yeah, this is not good. Like, should be 0 1. Like 0. Yeah, just like 0. Let's invert the logic. Like if 1 is equal to 0, then I plus plus 1. Let's just pretend it didn't happen. Like didn't happen. Parsing error. Hell yeah. Please, after 38 minutes, can I please have one Leetcode easy? One Leetcode easy, just so I can show off on my resume. Zero one. Yeah. I think I'm going to have to change. Yeah, this kind of just scanning doesn't make much sense. So it's like 0 1. Okay. Checks out. But what when it's 0 0? Let me add this test case pretty quick. Output 3. What is wrong here? 1 1. Bro, we need to change the thing. I'm sorry. We need to change. We need to change it. We need to change SI. and I've circled back to what I had when I started. Registers 1, swaps with SI. Does it really get swapped? This one gets swapped, and then this next scan is on this one. Okay, so first scan, this one, the one that is under the cursor gets swapped. So the next scan is the pass. It should be, but the next one is a failure. Fucking nothing works. Dude. Okay, I thought it was some JavaScript bullshit. No, it's just me bullshit. Can I get like a cheeky console log, please? Okay. So 3 times doesn't make sense. The first one, okay. Like here, okay, the first one, when it's the first one gets swapped, which is okay. But then like the next one, this one doesn't make sense. I think it has something to do like with this. It's like the variables don't stay in place. It's like a weird scope thing. The first one, yeah, behind it is a 1, but then the second one behind it should be a 0, because like that's what we did. What the hell? This doesn't make any sense. SI, so SI doesn't get assigned. Oh my god, I'm dealing with a string. That's right, I am not dealing with an array, in fact. as I weirdly thought I had. So I can't just like replace in the string. Okay, now it makes sense. I'm gonna cheat. No, it's not cheating. Fuck you. Replace. No, bro. My brain is already turned off, bro. No, no. Oh. Wow, this is really... This is an ugly way to do it. Damn. I might do it. I might do it. Okay, fucking hell, let's do it. Ugh. This is one of like... Okay, this is not ideal. I'm not working with ideal though. I just want to get it done. Yeah. But like the compiler should have thrown an error here, because if I can't do this in the language, why does it allow me to write something like this? Please. Fine. Okay. This one passes, this one doesn't, so this one gets changed. But if this one changes, this one also has to change, which makes sense. So this one changes. Nah. What if the first one changes instead of the last one? Haha. Change, this one becomes a 1. Doesn't change. The first one changes. The first one changes, then it has to propagate the other change all over again. What if I change their places? Like, doesn't make sense either. Yeah. Wow, this is garbage. $10.0. Okay, let me step back. If something gets grabbed, okay, if something doesn't, like, if nothing gets grabbed, then it steps one at a time. Nothing gets grabbed. Okay, so this gets grabbed. What if this doesn't get grabbed? This gets grabbed, like right here, and then I change this value. Damn, bro. Okay, I'm going to try something horrible. Okay. Like, this is the scenario. If I change this, the first one to a 1, then I have to change the first one to a 0 as well. So it's like twice. So I need to check if minimum number of changes, if s, okay, so okay, I think I have a plan. If si is the same, no, it's different from si minus 2 mean number of changes plus. Let me go back to changing the first one. Nothing works in this life of mine, you know? Like 100. Okay. So these ones, like 1, 2, and then the final one. Okay. Ooh. Which one returns back? I think it's slice is a mutating method, so it's slice. Oh, substring, yeah. One, three. So it's from no, what am I doing? From, okay, this is the starting point, so it's I, and this is like how much it looks forward, index and I plus, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two. Okay, so it goes I plus 1 plus 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, so like I just put more changes. No, ooh, this looks horrible. No. Okay, so this is like an outside check. I oh, I forgot the, I need to log it. Fuck. So it's plus 5, I think. Yeah. Probably it's not the final answer. Wait. Wait. How many ones? No, it's... Yeah, it doesn't have... It doesn't have, like... I thought I could just, like, count how many there were, but... It doesn't work like that. Yeah. How many left? Oh my god. First scan. This one gets changed. Second scan. First scan. This one gets changed. Second scan. What if I change the first one? Ugh. No, I still need to do something like this. Yeah. Zero. 0 to 1. 0 to 0. 1 to 0. Okay. So 1. 1 to 1. No. Should have one change here. 1 to 1. Okay. Should two changes. Okay. 0 1. Okay. 0. Okay. So only one change here. Okay. 1 1. Compared to everything, just compared to the first one. Okay, I think I got a new strategy. First one shouldn't be here. 1 shouldn't be here. 2 shouldn't be here. Okay, already a fucking hell. Second and the fourth, or the first and the third. Here's just the fourth. What makes it different? Here's like could be the second. No. This is like it could be the first. This is okay. This too, okay. What if I stop at the first repeat, so like here, and then I stop at the first repeat, and then from the first repeat onwards, okay, I stop here, I increase it, like the count by 1. No, but I could change backwards, like it doesn't make any sense. What if I do it recursive? Okay, so like 1, and then the next one. Oh no. Well, how do I decide which one I... By looking at the... Do I actually need to change stuff? Like first and the second. Don't change anything. And then skip 2. And then like if the string length is pair, so here is 1, here would be 2, here would be 1, but the thing is, yeah. Yeah. What if I do like, if the string length is bigger than 5? Let me get to a state. Let me get to a state where I can pass the 6 first tests. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What if I try bubble sort? Nah. Oh, okay, okay. I have a. Okay, let me try something. So compare the first one. Do the thing where you compare the first one against every other. So like here, this shouldn't be here. Oh, sorry, this shouldn't be here. Or compare the second one. Like the second one to every other. Okay. This shouldn't be here, so it changes 1. This shouldn't be here, so it changes 2. 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. 2. 1 0. This should be here 1. 1. This shouldn't be here 2. This shouldn't be here. Okay, so every odd place should be 1. Odd place, no, 1. Odd place, 2. Odd place, 3. Every odd place should have the same number as the first one. One change. 2 changes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are so back. if the length is less than 3, oh no, it man, what about the 2 numbers like 1 1? Mm-hmm. Cool. The first number, every odd place should have the same number as the first. So I plus 2. No, it's not I plus 2. What am I doing? Let's start the iterator at the second index. So it always jumps by 2. Did anyone say anything? Oh, thank you. So, okay. Every odd place should have the same number as the first. If Si equals to first number, no, it's different. What about now? Why? I1, like I equals 0. Oh, then it should be 1, yeah. No. If it's an odd number and it's different from the first number, if it's equal to the first number, why? 0. Okay, if it's an even number, so this and this shouldn't have anything. Okay, nothing is here anymore. I modulus 2. Okay, so if it's an even number, odd number, and it's not equal to the first number, which is 0, it should increase the number of changes. But this number, like, oh, okay, so this is the thing that it's causing. So if it's an odd number, if it is an odd index, like here, and it's equal to the first number, the number of changes increases. But that makes perfect sense. Oh my god, network error. Good. So it's 2. It starts here and is equal to the first number. No, it's different. It should be different. First number, third number, okay. But then the second number, it's different. Oh my god. No, sorry. Nothing works. 0. Okay. If index is not even, then we need to check if it's equal, like if the index is not even, so it's like this. If it is equal, my fucking lord, if the index is odd, then if, like an odd index, it's 1 here, if it's equal to the first number, then the number of changes should go up. Else, if the index is even and this is different from the first number, one. Ooh. That's 1 change, 2 change, 3 change. Okay. Case 5. Here should be, so it's 1 change, 2 change, one. Oh. Yeah, but then, like, what if the string length is like, here I get 1, 2 turns, like 3 turns. Oh, but then there is the other perspective. One change, 2 change. Minimum change starting at index 0. Yeah. Yeah, this is more like it. Why not just do it like this? Yeah, okay. Then I do it another one of those. Okay, let me try again. So the output expected 3. Change 1, change 2, change 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here's 3. Change 1, change 2, change 3. Yeah. Please, bro. Min change start at index 0. Oh. First number, so I shouldn't compare this to the first number, I should compare it to the second number. So I just get the biggest, like the bigger one. Oh man, I feel like I've lost an arm just because I'm coding without Vim motions. Output 4 expected 3. One, 2, 3. Mm-hmm. What do you mean? Wait, what? No, okay. No. First one. Bam. First number, okay. Yeah, so it should start from here. But like it doesn't make sense. Ah. Oh. Okay. Oh no, it's different. No, it's equal. Very nice. It could be one of or the other, I guess. What do you mean? Ah, okay. Okay, I think that's the answer. 10 more minutes. That's the final limit I'm giving myself. Damn. What if 1 is equal to 2 and then yeah, I think okay, 1 and 2 are equal for each time or ugh. Okay, what if this first number, okay, first number is equal to second number, and like I'm scanning here, and it's equal to the first number, even though we're like, it shouldn't be. First one is equal to the second number, but then the one that I'm currently scanning is also equal to the second number. No, I mean also equal to the first number. Because then I will be checking if it's out of whack. 1. Okay, so 1 change, 2 change, 3 change. Oh, it's because the first number. What if the first number and the second number are like 1 1 1 1, and then I just flag it like, okay, if the first and the second number are equals, then let's fucking hell no, I give up. Please, let's see, start with 0 or start with 1. Okay, so no. Initialize two integers. I equals 2 if oh my god, that's almost what I was doing. Let me try it. Like, now that I understand it. Yeah, no skipping stuff here. If the second, okay, if an even index has a 0, then the start 0. Ugh. Damn. Si equal to, okay, if Si if it's even, and it starts with 0, then the start 1 will increase. No, if it's, yeah, ah, what? I think it's wrong. Anyway. Oh, please. Release me. Yeah, okay. Goodbye.